So the mobile rig, it shrunk down a little bit from when I first started doing mobile recordings, when I was cutting out a 10U rack. Now I'm basically lugging a rack bag around with me, and I can record 16 channels on this particular setup. My laptop, of course, is the 2017 MacBook Pro, with some extra goodies, all the normal connectivity that you require. The big new addition here is this baby. This is the new Arturia Audiofuse 8 Pre. And I'm using it for the first 3 channels are my kick drums, and the next 5 channels are my toms. I want to keep the flavors the same if I can. So 3 identical sounding preamps for kick, 5 identical sounding preamps for the toms. You may notice that the 3rd channel is actually out of phase. That's because the Low Freak, Solomon Low Freak, is wired out of phase. I didn't say that out loud. This thing's really nice. The headphones sound great. It's just really easy to use. I set it up in moments. The mic pre's sound great. The Audiofuse mic pre's on the original Audiofuse I thought sounded absolutely incredible. But these are just same technology. They sound great for drums. Really good with high transients. So great for kick. Give loads of bottom end. I can't sing the praises of these things enough. However, I needed more than 8 because there's a lot of microphones out here. So I've also plumbed in my Audient ASP 880 8-channel mic pre, and so far I'm using 6 channels of that for snare top and bottom, hat, ride, and overhead left and right. I've left myself 2 channels on the end, which are going to be my room mics. I might even try the whole Glyn Johns technique with a mic over there somewhere and a mic up here somewhere if I've got time, because we'll certainly have the space. One of the reasons for taking a mobile rig into a recording environment is I'm going into a church to record some absolutely epic sounding drums. Hence all the mics, but the room mics as well. I've still got the switch down there from if I'm using a Dante rig, but this time I'm not. It's just a really simple, effective setup that's easy to carry, sounds killer, but in the playback you're about to hear, there's no processing, no EQ, no dynamics, a little bit of limiting, because hey, this is YouTube. But the kit and the whole rig just sounds epic. A quick exploration into my world of drumming and the sort of stuff that I use to get my sound. There are plenty of other options out there. I think there are as many drums as there are hot dinners, different varieties, different woods, different timbers, different shells, different hoops, different heads, different cymbals. We haven't even gone into cymbals. It's a whole minefield. But if you as producers can speak to the next drummer or the next percussionist you're working with on their terms a little bit and, you know, impart some of your gained knowledge from this particular video, then I think it'll all go a little bit better when it comes to getting a really tight, amazing sounding drum track. So I hope you enjoyed that. My name's James Ivey and I'll see you again very soon for some more gear talk.